Cartagena is a Spanish city and a major naval station located in the region of Murcia, by the Mediterranean coast, southeastern Spain. As of January 2018, it has a population of 213,943 inhabitants, being the region's second largest municipality and the country's sixth largest non-provincial capital city. The metropolitan area of Cartagena, known as Campo de Cartagena, has a population of 409,586 inhabitants. Cartagena has been inhabited for over 2 millennia, being founded around 227 BC by the Carthaginian Hasdrubal the Fair as Kurt Hudist, the same name as the original city of Carthage. The city had its heyday during the Roman Empire, when it was known as Carthago Nova and Carthago Spartaria, capital of the province of Carthaginensis. It was one of the important cities during the Umayyad invasion of Hispania, under its Arabic name of Cartagena al-Hafa. Much of the historical weight of Cartagena in the past goes to its coveted defensive port, one of the most important in the Western Mediterranean. Cartagena has been the capital of the Spanish Navy's maritime department of the Mediterranean since the arrival of the Spanish Bourbons in the 18th century. As far back as the 16th century, it was one of the most important naval ports in Spain, together with Ferrol in the north. It is still an important naval seaport, the main military haven of Spain, and is home to a large naval shipyard. The confluence of civilizations as well as its strategic harbor, together with the rise of the local mining industry, is manifested by a unique artistic heritage, with a number of landmarks such as the Roman Theatre, the second largest of the Iberian Peninsula after the one in Merida, an abundance of Phoenician, Roman, Byzantine and Moorish remains, and a plethora of Art Nouveau buildings, a result of the bourgeoisie from the early 20th century. Cartagena is now established as a major cruise ship destination in the Mediterranean and an emerging cultural focus. It was the first of a number of cities that have been named Cartagena, most notably Cartagena, Colombia. The city of Cartagena is located in the southeastern region of Spain in the Campo de Cartagena. The Cartagena region can be viewed as a great plain inclined slightly in the direction NWC, bordered at the north and the northwest by pre-coastal mountain ranges, and at the south and southwest by coastal mountain ranges. The dominant geology of the region is metamorphic and sedimentary. The most widely present kind of soil is calcic xerosol. Other soils that occur in the municipality are the leptosol, which forms the Mediterranean coast, and the petrocalcic xerosol. The city is located just at the end of the new AP7 motorway. The following villages are part of Cartagena municipality: La Razojia, Isla Plana, Los Urruchos and Los Nietos. The old town is limited by 5 small hills following the example of Rome. In the past, there was an inner sea between the hills called the Estero that eventually dried up. On this site, the ensanche was built at the beginning of the 20th century. The urban area is delimited across by several watercourses, some of which go deep into the urban network during a large part of their courses. Cartagena has a hot semi-arid climate. Its location near the sea moderates the temperature, and annual precipitation typically does not surpass 300 mm. The annual average temperature goes up to around 18.8 degrees Celsius. The wind is an important climatic factor in the region. The municipality has 24 districts, known as diputaciones. The origin of this administrative structure has its date in the beginning of the 18th century when population was increasing and the municipality was becoming less tractable. The districts are, despite the intense mining, tourist and industrial exploitation that the area has suffered for centuries, the territory around Cartagena city hosts an extraordinary natural wealth and diversity, with a large number of botanical endemic species. Part of its area is subject to different levels of legal protection. Cartagena's coastal mountains have one of the highest levels of botanical biodiversity on the Iberian Peninsula, a number of surprising Ibero-African species, which are only found in southern Spain. The Rabogato del Mar Mena, the Garbancillo de Talente and the Jarad de Cartagena Cistus Heterophyllus carthaginensis Among the animal species includes some threatened or endangered ones like the peregrine falcon, the Eurasian eagle owl, the golden eagle and the Bornese eagle, the spur-thighed tortoise, the greater horseshoe bat and, especially, the Spanish toothcarp, and fish endemic to southeastern Spain. In addition, the presence of the common chameleon has been documented for about 30 years. Although it is not clear whether it is native or introduced. Some other species of note include the greater flamingo, the red fox, the European rabbit, the European badger, the beech marten, the common genet, the wildcat and thay.